Well, good morning. We're back here at 164 doing more work, and day after the AFL Grand Final. Congratulations to the Brisbane Lions, back to back, and comes next Sunday. It's Melbourne Storm versus whoever out of the Broncos or the Penrith Panthers, and it's a nice sunny day here in Melbourne, and so might as well go off to work we go. There we go. Yep, all we've got to do is now we'll be cleaning the desto glass, probably get rid of some of that mould. Grime and dirt being cleaned off after all these years. Here is lunch being cooked. We've got a little helper here. It's Mr. Magpie. Unfortunately, their team lost in the finals, so he's inspecting the motor as well here. And done so far. We've got a new indicator cover on the driver's side, and as you can see, the desto. The glass is all nice and clean, and we're done. We got rid of the doors, the house doors from the back of the bus, and so still a lot of work to be done here inside the bus. What we're doing, our next task is to get rid of this surface rust alongside here, and prep it for paint work. away the door. There we've got Tim. As you can see, the bus is slowly getting there, very, very slow. And so we're packing up, going home, have a bite to eat until we come back next time. And yeah, so I've got some daylight. Still need to clean the back of the back window. And so be it. Hello, got back home after working on 164. The crew's all here, including Lucy. And yeah, so as you've seen, we cleaned the Desto glass inside and out. Put the right hand indicator cover on the bus. Did some patchwork up along the side of the bus with getting rid of the surface rust, and that's coming up well. We also cleaned out these doors that were sitting in the actual very back of the bus, so yeah, nice and tidy. So we're waiting for some bus seats. They'll come in due course. And yeah, so it's been a very enjoyable day working on the bus. Unfortunately, we're trying to get the brakes done, but it's missing vital parts like the cotter pins and the pins itself for the brake shoes. Anyway, thank you once again for liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Yes, I did rail replacement on Wednesday, which that came out on Thursday, and yeah, to one of the guys that answered a question, no, with the Quinces buses as well, unfortunately, because I actually drive as well for a living. Anyway, until next time, cheers, happy days.